Yo, 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 what's going on? What's happening?
Order filled.
That's the one we want to break down. We'll do that. We'll do that.
Stop filled.
No, wait. We're gonna get 26 in there. Oh, it already came all the way down. Alright. That's what I was waiting for. I just took so long to get this stupid thing going because it kept moving the screen. I don't know if you've seen it. We're definitely gonna have a cooldown today. Fucking move. Freaking move. We're gonna wait for a little bit of a retracement here real quick. We'll probably jump in.
Order filled.
Actually, we're probably gonna jump in now. Put that in there. We're looking for the big move back all the way down to 7, 4. $7.50 is what we're gonna look for. Probably should have waited. Definitely should have waited. Because that's the one that doesn't have as much of a drawdown ability, but you know, whatever. That is a suspicion today. The usual suspect. Could be a manipulation candle, who knows.
I've been riding this trail a long time. I remember when agents, they didn't know their left hoof from their right. Some are too eager, jumping in before I'd finished speaking. Others promised to wrangle code, ended up letting the cattle loose. But then, Warp rode into town. Transparent, reliable, and fast on the draw. In a town full of passers-through, Warp's the one you can trust.
Come on, man.
Prompt to production.
Come on. We're waiting. Hurry up.
Life is more legal than you think, and LegalZoom is here to help.
I always
Whether
feel
it's
like when
registering a
you're
business,
needing to hurry,
starting a will or trust,
it does
staying on
not.
top of your business licenses,
think we might blow
or
this account.
talking to an attorney to make sure
Alright,
it's done
let's
right.
wait.
I'm a LegalZoom network attorney. I hear you have a landlord issue.
When you need a legal hand, turn to LegalZoom.
Q4. All right.
Troy, what I seem to gravitate towards in the overnight is gold right now because of just the massive amount of volatility that there is in the products. It doesn't require as much of like that kind of headline stuff that you're talking about. So it's nice to trade gold a little bit. It's got a lot of movement. I think a lot of just international market participants, you know, with the Tokyo session and everything. And I think there's just a lot more people putting their eyes on it than most of the other
Order filled.
products here. But the ES, but the interesting thing with the ES and the NASDAQ is, yeah, Daryl, I do agree that
Wrong one.
profile
Wrong one.
Can work relatively well at times in the overnight session. Like 2 nights ago, I had this like perfect short into point of control. I was basically shorting like for like a 3 or 4 point move into point of control of the regular trading hour session. It dipped, touched it, and then it reversed back up. I got out of my trade and made like 150 bucks, and it was just like a hilarious example of like
clean.
You know, it respected,
right?
relative,
Order canceled.
relative levels there, and then last night I didn't even trade market profile. Actually, I just literally was doing a little bit of a trend trade to the long side on the ES, and that was really it. I was just using some EMAs and following a little bit of the order flow, trying to discern, you know, some sellers getting kind of
It took so long.
Some aggressive buyers.
Then I wanted to say good morning to the people.
It's fun. I mean, it's definitely a market that you have to really keep your eyes peeled and like try to. It requires, I think, a good amount of experience to. I'm just trying to gain the experience, I think, is the message I'm giving here. I'm not used to the quiet markets, so these last couple months of trading them has been just storing experience in the brain bank. So but it's been good. It's been good.
So let's look in the chat here. Tiger's still hanging with us, buddy. What up, Tiger? Mr. Peeps is here, Eric Lake, of course, and Robert Mashiro is here. So I hope everyone's having a good morning. I know there was some commentary. Everyone was surprised to see Coach Sam in the segment prior with Coach James, and everyone was so excited going, Sam's moving to Forex. But we're just mixing it up a little bit. You may see someone else on there tomorrow that you'll be surprised to see, but just having a little fun.
Yeah.
Just mixing it up.
Yeah. Definitely. So, I mean, right now, with gold, I'm kind of I'm looking at gold, but I don't really have any bias for it at the moment. So I'm actually gonna stay away from it in this early morning session.
All right, let's see what's going on here.
I feel like I want to see some sort of like downwards gap fill, but I don't know if that's actually going to happen. What I want to see is different than probably what we're going to see, but I would like to see some sort of downward trend occur to fill that regular trading hour session gap, and then maybe turn back up. But that's a pretty far ways away. I mean, we're 30 points away, so can't have too high of expectations for that. but
we
if
came
not,
back
maybe.
we came back down enough here, but not we're not down to the overnight low, and we're certainly not down to RTH. But what is interesting, you've mentioned this, Paul. I was looking at let's see, we're currently right here. This is all our overnight meltdown. And this profile was yesterday's RTH session. So I was looking at on the downside. If this thing comes down, I mean, this orange right here where my little arrow's sitting on, that's the overnight low.
Now that I'm a mom,
also, coincidentally, is kind of like value area high of yesterday. But if
I
we do
have twice
drop,
as many outfits to plan.
and
My
we get
overpacking
down to
has
like
reached new
the
levels.
6505,
Verizon's different too.
point
They
of
let
control
everyone in my
of
family choose whatever plan they want.
Monday.
I save
plus
money
we've got,
and can keep the same low price for 3 years. Love that for me.
And then we got down here. It's hard to see. There's a little.
I had to do it. I'm sorry.
There's a little red line. There's a little purple line here. Purple is
That's
previous
Found it.
RTH low. So that is yesterday, Monday's RTH low. No. What am I saying? Yesterday's low
At
day.
Granger, we
But
have
it's
over 1
almost
million
right
products,
on the money
including
because it
ones
was
that
in a
help
Gulf
keep your
yesterday.
workplace safe
But it's just almost
and
close to
sound.
where we were Monday.
Shop our vast
And if you go
inventory of
over,
safety products at
it's also
Granger.com.
value area
Granger, for the ones who
Friday.
get it done.
So it just has a little bit of an area that where we traveled to and tested and traded. So if we get down, if we do happen to see a sell-off here, those would be areas that I would be looking at. 6505, and of course we break the 6500, maybe somewhere like 6493 or 6489 to look for maybe a bounce off of some sort of support, or if we get heavy buyers coming in to hold it up. So
Yeah.
but I'm getting ahead of myself. We got a lot to fill in here.
Yeah, we definitely do have a lot of movement to happen before that. But hey, we've seen way crazier stuff, so that would be a drop in the bucket in comparison to what we've seen. So definitely could happen.
So just to get back to Troy's, go ahead.
Yeah.
I
No, I'm
think it's gonna
just
stop
I
us
was gonna
out.
say real quickly, I am feeling
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
moments, but yeah, that's it.
Me too.
Yeah, be careful. You got an H pattern on your NASDAQ.
Uh-oh.
I see it on ES as well. It's okay.
Yeah,
So Troy, yeah, it's on ES. Polish Foreign Minister Sikorsky was saying that we have no doubt the drones flying into Poland were not an accident. Norway Foreign Minister says there was no discussion of invoking NATO's Article 5. So I guess it was a little bit of a scare, but it didn't
Right.
get that crazy. And then you guys remember that I was talking about with Oracle yesterday. I know Troy, you weren't with us, but Oracle obviously ripped with their earnings after the close of yesterday's market. And so I was thinking that Larry Ellison leapfrogged
335.
Elon for number one spot on the richest person in the world, but he was there at some point in the year. Elon's back, but now I'm reading here that this is a crazy number.
He's too busy buying Hawaii.
I know. Well, he already bought it. He already did that a while ago. But maybe he's trying to get another small island. So it says Elon
He
Musk
can't be the
still
richest
leads
man,
the
he's too
billionaires,
busy.
but Oracle's Larry Ellison is quickly gaining on him. Larry Ellison's net worth has jumped $103 billion since, not yesterday, since January. So a hell of a year.
Wow.
A hell of a year. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So
Right, man.
I mean, it's just gotta love that AI crap. I mean, geez. Louise.
Yeah.
Ooh, we should have got back
when
in.
your stock is up 45% overnight, that's pretty wild.
I know.
That's just
know.
insane. It's
I know.
yeah.
And just keep going.
Now
Just
it's
keep
like-
going.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, I read a headline. Dang, I can't exactly remember what it was, but like essentially, Oracle booked $100 hundreds of billions of dollars worth of like.
Yep. 360%
Of
more.
future-
Over $400 billion. So, yep.
Yeah. Right. So.
That's what
I mean,
showing in the earnings yesterday.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you were showing.
Remember?
Yeah, exactly. You were showing that. Yes, correct.
We were wondering why it was moving so much because they barely, their expectations were in line. And in any case, for most of it, it was a little bit shy of what was expected. But remember, you and I were looking through, and then they came out with the adjusted stuff, and then it was like, oh my God, man! It was like they did 99 billion in contracts last year. I don't know whether it's fiscal or calendar. I probably assume fiscal. And then this year they booked 455 or 60 billion. So it's like a 370% increase on business that they haven't even been paid on yet. So that's why the stock is berserk, because they got all this, revenue coming in. 3.5 trillion. What is it? 355 billion. I was trying to make a trillion out of it, but fraction of that. I guess I could have said like a third of a trillion.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we're just ranging right here for now. It's been 15 minutes and.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I'm allergic to the market as well. Don't worry, I'm just as allergic today as you are.
Mr. Peeps, Eric, Robert, Tejas, great to see you.
Tejas.
See Troy chatting. See Troy in the chat a
Chris
little
is
bit
here.
there. Awesome. Chris, awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
Waiting for this to break
Yeah,
down.
buddy. So we're just
I
bouncing
think
around
it's
here.
going
This
to.
is interesting. Now we do have news coming out in about 12 minutes.
Come on.
What is it?
With the Amex
U.S.
Gold
wholesale
Card,
inventories month over
every
month.
meal is a reward.
Make it down.
Earning you 4 times
won't do
membership
much
rewards
after
points
this.
at restaurants
PPI
and U.S.
print.
supermarkets. That's an opportunity in every bite,
Also
sip,
bonus.
slice, and scoop.
And
Sale.
Whether you
So, yeah,
decide to
a little bit
stay
of
in
But
Yeah.
nothing
or go
crazy.
all
A
out,
little bit of crude oil.
earn rewards on everyday meals
inventories
with the
for any
Amex
of the
Gold
crude
Card.
traders. I know you don't run into too many of those nowadays, but I'll take a gander at crude for a little bit this morning for sure. I doubt it's going to be too crazy for that inventory number, but I'll take a gander for sure.
It may have moved with the Poland stuff overnight. I didn't look. Who knows?
True.
Right? But it probably would have come back down. Maybe not.
Crude is kind of just crude's boring. It's been boring, honestly. It's like literally it's been trading in this like area for a kind of a while now, but it's trading anywhere between like 62 and 63 bucks as of the last few days. But we've seen some rips up into like the mid 60s, and I don't know. It's kind of meh to me. I'm not probably gonna take a trade in it honestly this morning.
Why trade crude when you can trade gold these days, right? It used to be.
That's what I'm thinking.
Gold's got all the action.
Yeah. Trade the gold. And on top of that, you don't have to even like trade heavy size or anything with gold. I mean, like I've been saying, I've been trading like 2-3 micro contracts, and I'm
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
each trade. It's the volatility is up there. It's up there.
I agree. All right. What are we doing here? Short again. At the top of the range, come back down to point of control.
Dude, move the thing. Are you serious? You're
Order cancelled. Order filled.
kidding me, dude.
Spiked up $7.
Why couldn't I grab onto the stupid
It's
thing?
been pretty
That's
dead
ridiculous.
lately, so seeing it up 7
Why is it
bucks.
stuck on that?
Oracle
Actually-
may have risen the tide for everybody, right? With the AI stuff, just the optimism.
Right.
Nvidia was doing all the heavy lifting for that whole sector for a long time now, but it's good to see other companies.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Right.
All right, come
Yeah,
on, man.
Broadcom and Oracle helping out a lot lately,
Yep.
for sure.
Yeah.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All right, let's go. I love this. Beautiful.
There it went. I shouldn't have got out.
Come on down. I call that.
Screwed me up.
Let's go.
Way to go.
Come on down.
You seen that, right? It's-
Oh yeah.
I was short with you, baby.
Nice, dude. Look at
I'm
this.
out though.
I should have moved my take profit further, but I'm back in the green. Oh, yeah.
Great trade.
The noise.
Let's see if we can get down here to like that. I mean, if we can get down to 41, kind of like the scene of the crime. We almost got there. We just got down to 44. See, that's what we need to do, I think, before we go north. If we go north, that's fine. I just feel like we have to, at some point, doesn't have to be right now, but we just kind of got to, kind of recollect all this, right? Just come down here and revisit in the RTH session, not after the PPI print.
Well, what you want is it to retest the prior to the news event.
Right, exactly.
You want it in there and retest that level, then it'll go wherever it's
Your
going to
membership
go. But
is more
this
than
is
just a
still
card.
residual
It's your
crap from
gateway
the
to extraordinary
news.
That's what I just said.
With the AAA app, discover savings and hidden gems.
Did you just say
Maybe I
that?
didn't
'Cause I
say it
didn't
right.
hear that.
We're always with you.
That's what I was. I said scene of the crime, meaning right before the news event took off. Yeah, right here.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear that.
It's okay. No. Hey, look, great minds think alike. I'm glad that you backed me up there.
There, yeah, no problem. No problem.
You know what? This calls for some celebration, Troy. This calls for, we got to do it. No, we got to do it, man. We got to play some. We got to jam.
Exactly.
We got to jam some rock and roll, Troy, right now. I know you love Van Halen.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
That's perfect. That's
I
so
knew that was
good.
gonna
Order submitted.
bite me.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Demented individual.
The best part was
See what I have to-
we got you. Yeah, you have to deal with it. Yeah.
See, Adelina,
know.
this is what I have to deal with on Mondays. You see that? I mean, it's like nuts.
You need to catch him in something too, so use against him. I can see he's ready on his phone with everything.
There's lots of fodder for me. There's lots of fodder that can get me on. Sam gets me a lot. Yeah. We were talking about you, Adelina. We felt sorry. Was it yesterday? No, she was on with us yesterday. So maybe it was like, we feel
Monday.
bad because you're like, you get on there and you're like, what's with these guys? Man?
Oh,
These guys are ridiculous. Why do I have to deal with this? These are grown men
that's
acting like
men's-
teenagers. What is going on?
Man's having fun.
Give him hell. Give him hell, Adelina.
Yeah.
Give him hell.
You gotta have fun.
Yeah,
when you're
yeah.
trading, though, otherwise you go bonkers. You just do.
That's the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta try at least. Gotta try.
Yes.
Just don't play Van
All
Halen.
right, I'm back in short.
Back in short. All right. You're active. You are active.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm active right now. Oh, hold the mid. Where is my?
My
There we go.
cat wants me to open up the window thing real quick so that she can see outside. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Be right back in 2 seconds.
Oh.
Sorry, luxury comfort. No, thank you. No, thank you. Especially since you put this in twice. Like, why would you put twice with 2 different codes?
Come on down. He started to come down.
I love cats. Oh my god.
My cat actually looks like your cat, Adelina, in your video. It's a tuxedo cat. So
Tuxedo. Yeah, I have two tuxedos. I have.
Oh my gosh.
What's a tuxedo? Just black and white, or is it like a breed?
Mm-hmm.
Like, is it?
Nah, it's just black and white
basically
cat.
black.
Height, or-
It looks like it's wearing a tuxedo, so it's like white hair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Looks like a penguin.
Mm-hmm.
True. Could be a penguin cat as well.
Oh, I wish I would have left in my trade. It didn't move. Stop losses. I was gonna move it. Well, I was gonna move it to 200.
Started to come down.
As much as I want to join in on this short, like, okay, I'm just
Nah, it's holding up.
That rain.
It's holding up.
Be very careful. It's 10 o'clock. Almost 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We got some news coming out at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I like it, Mr. Peeps. You're back testing a new strategy, essentially. Yeah, you know, low risk. Just putting on low risk to see how it plays out. Definitely. I mean, that's the way to go, man, for sure.
Come on. No. Don't do that. Going up inside the range. We'll see what this news does. I think it'll pull back. I don't expect anything out of it. But we'll see. Now, don't forget all this other stuff here is pre-market, right? This is all algo, PPI stuff. So really, I'm looking at just this little profile. I can draw the profile, but this is what we're looking at right now so far. It's just what's happened in this shaded area. So I just put my stop right up to the top here at the high of the morning, right? Just I mean, if it gets me, it gets me, but I don't want to be right here because this is really, even though this is like a low volume area, its point of control was here. Now it's down here. It's just, it can fill in real easy. So I'm just kind of getting out of the danger zone, if you will.
Introducing iPhone 17 Pro.
Yeah.
To redefine
12-point range on the day. Kind of slow. I'm actually starting to look at some cattle and stuff right now. So that's how you know I'm really just trying to get into something with
See
a
if
little
this
bit
works.
more volatility here.
Probably not the best.
Looking at cattle, looking at soybeans again.
Way to do this.
All right.
Or on the best account to do this. Waiting for that news to hit right now. I don't know that's going to do anything.
Okay. 30 seconds here. Love it come
Adelina,
down to
do you
around
have
40,
any,
41.
Do you have any thoughts about the Dow as of this moment? Do you have any levels that you're specifically looking for in the Dow or anything, or is it kind of just like
Yes.
just
So for a short, I'm looking right now, but I'm looking to pass the 45,618. So the overnight low. And if it goes up, I can see a double bottom can form.
Okay.
So I'm not sure yet. I'm waiting. I have my alarm set.
Yeah, it definitely does look kind of like a double
come
bottom
on.
there for sure.
Come on.
For sure.
Really? Took me out right at the top. Range extension.
Yeah.
All right, Troy, I should have listened to you.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. However, the wholesale sales was greater than expected, so that's actually bullish. I'm sort of I expected that to be a negative number considering PPI was negative.
I did too. That's why I was staying in the trade.
Right.
I was expecting a negative. That's exactly why I stayed.
Inventories.
And I put my stop out
were
there.
actually less than expected. I would have thought that since PPI went down, that you would have an increase in inventories, right? Wouldn't that make sense? We're having to lower prices because we have too much inventory, and it just didn't do that.
Nothing makes
that
sense.
Defies
anymore.
logic. I know. What the frick?
Man.
Bad is good. Good is bad. What? Panama. Panama.
Yeah, speaking of good, yeah, exactly.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I have to get all that out here first thing in the morning when I'm spicy and, rest of the day, none of that stuff the rest of the day. Just gotta get it out now.
Gotta drink the Mountain Dew, get the energy level up.
Yeah.
Top Jimmy, oh Jimmy, Top Jimmy, he's the king.
I don't know none of those songs.
That's okay.
Oh my God.
We don't expect you to.
Oh. You're
It was
missing
way back,
out.
way back before, way back. Your parents were probably kids.
She's not a classic rock person. She's R&B and rap, so I get it.
Yep.
Not a rock gal.
You don't want to hear guitar music with an electric drill? Come on, what's wrong with that?
Dude, Eddie Van Halen was the best. He was the freaking best at that.
Crazy guy.
I think they did that on Pound Cake, wasn't it? With on 5150 or something, wasn't it? Or but it was with Sammy Hagar, right? It was with Sammy Hagar though.
Yep,
you know that.
that's right.
Now I loved Sammy Hagar when he was solo, like 3 Lock Box and all that. Man, he was. And then he went to Van Halen.
I can't drive.
Kind of got soft. Oh, great freaking track, man. I can't drive. One foot on the brake and one on the gas. Hey. And the judge said, boy, just one more. I'm gonna throw your ass in the city joint. Look me in the eye, said, you get my point? I said, yeah. Oh, yeah. Write me up for 125. Post my face, wanted dead or alive. Take my license and all that jive. I can't drive.
Can't drive.
55.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Futures
was
Takeoff
beautiful.
karaoke
I got it out
at
of him.
its best. Yeah.
I got it out of him, guys. It was perfect.
Wow.
That was awesome.
Fantastic.
Tiger, come on. Tiger can sing, boys. Tiger needs to get on here because he will be my karaoke teammate. This guy, Tiger, can belt them.
Yeah.
You hear that, Tiger?
Oh boy.
I'm gunning for you, man. I got you.
Yeah, Coach Tiger's got some vocals, from what I hear. That legend has it, he's got the vocals.
Yo, he was singing with you last night a little bit. It was great.
I've been riding
like,
this
man.
trail.
Oh
for a
yeah,
long
no,
time.
he's.
I remember when agents
He was telling me
they didn't know
about
their
like
left hook from their right. Some are too eager
about
jumping in
his
before I'd finished speaking.
vocal
Others
past
promised to
and
wrangle
a
code,
very
ended up
karaoke-esque
letting
kind of
the
guy.
cattle
So
loose.
I mean,
But then,
I would love to hear it on stream one day. If he can do it, if he can,
liable,
pull out
fast
some
on
of
the
his,
draw.
favorites,
full of passions
karaoke
through,
favorites, I
work's
would
the one
be
you can trust.
more than down to
Prompt
listen to
to
it.
production and partner. That's
He'll-
You do not want to
he'll
listen to me
do
do
it,
karaoke
he'll do
though.
it.
That's for sure. Don't do
This
that.
your bag,
Don't
sir? Walk
have
that
me do
way.
any of that.
Oh, you the
He was trying to get you to sing Celine Dion last night again, remember?
I filed a claim for my
He
car.
was
with the
asking you to
guy.
sing.
Only took 2 minutes.
Well, I mean, car is all about getting more than just savings.
The next time, how about less fluid ounces?
Fair
Oh
enough.
man,
Oh.
I
You use this much
genuinely,
syrup.
I don't
Well, my
like.
skincare
Aside,
routine requires
there's
And a
between
pump top
Celine
can
Dion
make a
and like
mess.
Whitney Houston,
I'm
there
taking
couldn't
this.
be two
But you took all of them.
worse
Get more than just savings. Get more with
artists to
Geico.
try
Have a nice
for me to even try to to even
Well, for most
attempt
people,
to
dude,
sing
we could,
a
most
song
people
of theirs.
can't hit that. No.
No, exactly. Of course, like that's the point. It's like, generally good singers can't even necessarily do what they do. So, like, imagine somebody that's not good at all.
Right.
My goodness, I'd chop your ears off now, just before I start opening my mouth.
My ears are bleeding. Please stop, Paul. No.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God, that was great.
Guys, I want to
Yeah,
trade,
Eric,
but
Eric
I've got
wants Tiger on too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Now all I've got is Panama in my head.
I don't like that one. Oh, now it goes. Okay. Looks very weak. It's okay. Sure. Yeah, it is weak.
I know you guys don't know what that is, but Troy does. 3 lock box. 1, 2, 3 lock box.
Order filled.
3
Order filled.
lock box.
Oh god. They are total crack up, man.
Stop filled.
Stop
What's wrong
filled.
with you?
Dude, Sammy Hagar, man. Sammy Hagar, dude.
I know. I love it. I love it. It's funny.
Sammy.
There you go. See? Weak. I don't know.
Now, speaking of Hawaii,
Bringing you back.
you were
I want to
mentioning
get
Larry
the other
Ellison.
one back. Kind of
Sam, the word
that
the
it hit
word-
too much
I
of
don't
a
know.
super loss.
Rumor
We
has it that
are on the lost day for that.
when he
Uh.
spends like half the year in, I think, in Maui on his little compound, and he's like total like nudist, like he's just total barefoot,
Okay.
naked, free loving, weed smoking, pot smoking dude, just all all the time, which is so Sammy Hagar. And then he goes like to Cabo once in a while, and I think he still has a place in California, but that's like his little triangle, his little Pacific triangle. He does this Hawaii, Cabo, and Southern California, back and forth.
Oh man. Wasn't aware of that side of Mr. Hagar. Wasn't aware of it.
Oh yeah, dude, he's totally. And he and Michael Anthony are like super tight, super tight. Cabo Wabo, man. Oh yeah.
Long a few micro gold contracts here. Not risking too much. Just risking about 2 points.
Oh, yeah.
Roughly. Not even
Let's
a
see
point
your
and a
screen,
half.
man.
We're breaking
Let's see
out
your
now. Yeah, we're breaking out a little
Yeah,
bit.
you can switch it.
trying to. We can switch over to mine production.
Damn, Troy, we're so friggin' old. 2 years ago was the 40th anniversary of 3 Lockbox. Damn.
I know. I know. on the VMAs, Aerosmith, was Steven Tyler
I don't
and
know what to.
Steve Perry were
What am I expecting?
they were doing the Ozzy Osbourne tribute, and I'm looking at Steven Tyler. I'm like going, dude, man, he's like almost 80 years old.
I know.
He's like
I
70,
know. And he looks
77
it too.
or 78.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
Ouch.
He does, man. That makes me feel old when, that's crazy.
So this is exactly, so I got into that gold trade. It broke out $1, a little bit over $1, like $1.50 there, and then immediately reversed, and then took me out $3 below where it had just gotten to. So that's how volatile gold can be at the moment. It's just like, that's why trading on the lower size isn't, a terrible idea. But definitely going to be looking, to see if we can't get back into a trade here at some point on the gold.
Adelina's getting in the trade.
I don't know what I'm doing.
She's ready to execute.
You feel it? You feel it?
Scared out of trades that I should keep.
I heard an alert. Is that your alert?
No.
I heard a little chime.
If I would have stayed in my soul trades the few times that I went in really deep,
I think it was somebody's phone.
I made thousands.
I'm back in the long. See if we can't.
Eric,
Tiger,
you're human, my friend.
He says we're not. Tiger says we're not old. We're well seasoned. I like that.
Well
that is true.
seasoned, yeah.
That's true.
Well seasoned.
Fucking well done. Flip me over on the grill, man. Well done. Burnt on one side, crispy on the outside.
Is Tiger in our same age as we are, Daryl?
Nah, he's like 10.
He's younger, right?
Early 40s, I think.
A successful car starts with over 14,000 meticulous.
He's younger, but he's got good taste in music, man. That's the thing. And same with Paul. Paul's super young. Paul loves all the. Paul recognizes and appreciates when music was recorded on actual instruments in a freaking studio, everyone playing all together, and it was like 1 or 2 takes, and that was it. None of this like freaking,
He grew up with rock bands. The first rock bands were all classic rock. That's why his generation even knows anything about it. Is because of rock band.
Yeah, well, I mean. I grew up with parents that were insane. I would be like 6 years old in the car, my dad driving me home from school, and he'd have AC/DC on, and he'd look over to me and say, "Don't say anything to your mother, okay?" And I'd be like, "Okay," and then we just rocked out the AC/DC in the car, So that was.
I would be playing AC/DC with my son, but I wouldn't say don't say anything to your mother. I'd be like, "Dude, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Put your fingers like this. Get them in the right position and start shaking your head."
Yeah.
My son would put his MP3 player through the stereo in the car, and I'd get just annoyed. I go, "Listen, I want you to listen to some real
Order filled.
Put on AC/DC, Aerosmith, Van Halen," and I'd turn it up real loud, and I'm like in the car going like this. My son is laughing at me, not listening to music. He's just laughing at me. So,
Right.
Yeah,
I know.
That's it, right?
They find us very entertaining. The thing is,
I love it.
We have yet to talk about one of my all-time favorite bands. We've yet to talk about it. I don't know why I don't talk about it, but I love these guys. And maybe Paul does too, which is Rush. I freaking love Rush.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I've seen them numerous times, and obviously Neil Peart is dead now, but man, I love Rush. They're just so damn talented. Three guys playing like they're a 6-piece band or something, just incredible.
I love the Will Ferrell.
Yeah, I like Rush.
Tribute there.
Oh,
Dust in the Wind. Remember remember that.
Yeah, that's a stepbrother or no.
No.
Order
School.
filled.
Order filled.
Dust in the Wind.
Yeah.
But Dust in the Wind is not Rush. But who's Dust in the Wind? Simon Garfunkel.
Kansas.
Maybe?
Kansas. I'm sorry. I
Oh,
was
it is
wrong.
Kansas. It's Kansas. No, you're right. It's Kansas. Kansas is good too. Kansas is very good.
Yeah, you know, I like
Ah.
me a little bit of XYZ, a little bit of XYZ from Rush, you know.
Oh, I like XYZ. Yeah,
yeah,
of course. That's old Rush though, man.
That's some good stuff. One of my best friends from high school was like a absolute diehard Rush fan, because his dad was like a drummer, was a big time drummer, and he loved playing Rush stuff.
If you're a drummer, you gotta love Neil Peart. Everyone loves the Rush. I mean, that's the thing. Exactly.
Yeah, 100%. So I got a lot of that friend in particular was a big Rush guy and a big Metallica guy. So I got enough Metallica and Rush from him to last a lifetime to be funny. But I was more like the Pink Floyd and stuff like that. I liked Pink Floyd and then some more like, you know, AC/DC and stuff like that. But yeah.
Yeah, I think I went hard
Def
early.
Leppard.
Sounds bad. Def Leppard was good. They got softer. See, I liked these guys when they were harder. I didn't like when they sold out typically, but then as I got older, I got more appreciative more of the real classical stuff. You know, like
their drummer lost an arm.
Like I wasn't big on Pink
so
Floyd.
softer.
Oh yeah, come on, dude.
It's true.
He played
Come
with
on.
2 feet though. I know, but he had the double bass with both his feet instead. Remember, he retrained himself.
Yeah, that's.
No, I'm just saying, as a lot of these bands come out, and then they start getting, you know, the big contracts. They're on MTV. They got all this, and then they just start making more pop.
They had to get into the ballads, right?
Play your hardest
Target
stuff.
filled.
Yeah,
Order filled.
Come on, guys, go back to Pyromania. Don't
like
be playing
Bon
like,
Jovi.
you know, pour some sugar on me and stuff. Bon Jovi totally sold out. Totally freaking sold out.
Oh
dude.
my God. If you remember his first album, was it 5400 Fahrenheit or something like that? No.
No, I think
Fahrenheit was the first one.
Oh no, it wasn't. That's right. It was. Yeah.
No.
50.
Don't
I
do
mean,
it.
that was some hardcore metal.
Yep.
Oh
They
yeah.
totally sold out. Totally sold out.
Dang. Well, real quick, as an update on this gold here, we broke out a bit. I was in 3 micros. I got out of 2 there, right at that quick high from 9:35 a.m. Eastern. So I got out of 2 there. I'm letting the other one run almost back to my opening P&L. But yeah, let this one run.
Break
Maybe
up.
we can get back to
Break up.
the wick high from the PPI
Up,
print
up.
at 8:30
Up,
this
up, up.
morning. That's what I would like to see a run up to. But yeah, with the volatility and everything in gold, it's nice to just like, you know, take a little bit of position off at like a 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 and then let, you know, a little bit ride essentially.
Here.
It's kind of been my motto the last week or so. If I get in a gold trade, try to take some profit off and let
A
something
little bit
run.
of retest.
But looking pretty good.
Oh,
Thank you.
Eric Lake, Leonard Skinner is great, of course. And Spinal Tap, we cannot forget Spinal frickin' Tap, dude. Steve-O's, welcome Steve-O's. I haven't seen you in the chat, but dude, this one goes to 11. Why don't you make it 10 higher? Because this
Come on,
goes
let's
to
go.
11.
Let's go.
Great freaking movie, great band, great everything. And I love Mr. Peeps. Yes, it is X, Y, Z. No, we say I know. Sam's not here, so we can't say Z today, but I'll say Z for you.
Embrace the journey, where each moment turns into a cherished memory.
It's gonna
Your
happen.
membership is more than
Come
just
on,
a card.
gold. Let's
It's your
consolidate a
gateway
little bit
to
if you'd like,
extraordinary
but let's just
experiences.
run up there.
Let's
Run up
stall.
to 97,
With the
36,
AAA
97.
card,
Come on.
discover savings and hidden gems.
We're gonna get
from
that one
dining
out.
to travel
I think it
to
wants
hotel
to.
stays.
I mean, the ES is
Your membership
consolidating
is your
at the top of
companion
this.
with the partner
Doing
you
it.
trust.
and I want to see a retest of the
always with
high.
you.
It basically came down to
Maybe we should have stayed in. Maybe we shouldn't have. Just I don't like these wicks here.
I'm okay with that.
Oh, there it goes.
With the
We have to be
Amex
careful,
Gold
though.
card,
I
every
can see
meal
this
is
Oh,
thing
well.
coming up and
Whether you
retesting.
decide
We were
to
pretty
stay
close
in
to
There was
or go all out.
low.
Rewards on everyday meals.
Blow out.
high that we just made,
But
the
we're just
high
gonna
of the
chill out.
week.
We got more news coming up.
65 quarter. That 65 quarter, that tick, one contract was executed on it, just one.
That's funny.
I could see it retest and then just roll right over. I could just imagine it. Not saying it's gonna do it, but
Yeah.
I just maybe got a feeling.
All right. Well, looks like it might be
seeing
ready to go back up. Guess we should have
But
stayed
yeah, I
in.
had to go on my other software where it tracks every little exit, and I'm like, what did we hit? Because I wanted to get the exact high, the new all-time high, and I was looking at it, and I was like, 65. I'm like, oh no, there's one contract sold or executed at the tick higher.
Let's see if we were smart to get out.
Come on, gold.
Point of control's not in any jeopardy of moving north yet.
Just
Happened to be in
literally
there.
added.
65.
All right, I added a contract and then immediately moved my stop up to break even. For the sake of possibly, there was in the order flow, it looked like there could possibly be a really
it
quick
looks like it's
breakout to
going.
the upside. So I figured add a contract, move up to break even with the new price, and then instead of it breaking
It's okay.
out, we
You
had
know what?
aggressive
We're
sellers
ending
just
the
come
week
in and
actually pretty
make it
total.
take a dive. So I'm out of
Pretty
the
good, I
position
think.
now, and that
sucks.
was a good little gold trade.
sucks.
That's fine. It's okay.
That's
I'm
good.
not mad at it.
I would have liked to seen you ride it
Still.
all the way up. Come on, ride a train.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have looked at
Come
Dang
on,
it.
ride a train.
the orders.
And ride it.
Orders are all up there,
Woo!
man.
If you feel like dancing.
Yep, I would have
come
took
on,
that
it's up
trade.
to you. I don't know who sings that.
I
but
might get back in.
that's
So.
some
Maybe.
Oh yeah, come on, ride the train.
Maybe could
Ride
have.
it. We should make that a new anthem as well. We got to put that in there with Push It. Push it real good. See, Sam would have already said this an hour in. He would have said this like 5 times already. So
There it goes. It's gonna take out those orders at the top.
in his
Hence
absence,
why I
I'm sure.
should
I feel like I
make
have
sure and
to
look
do
at those, watch those.
Gotta make up for it for sure.
Mr. Peeps wants
I
us to
don't
fly.
know,
the
look at all
Union
these
Jack.
wicks,
Wants to
though.
Fly the British flag in Sam's absence.
See
Okay,
these
that's-
wicks?
We could do it.
Crazy.
We could do it. So, Steve-O's, which is your favorite song of Spinal Tap? And remember, we have to keep it PG here on the chat. So, don't expect me to go a little crazy on this. Because I have mine. I have my favorite one, and you may guess which one it is, but I don't even think I could repeat it.
Those orders are gone. On the ES, it stayed. So I suspect
repeat
it'll
the
still
title
go
of
up. There
the
it
song, I
goes.
just
Look at
won't
this. Look at
repeat the
this.
lyrics or sing it.
Yeah.
We're
yeah,
in with
yeah.
4 contracts. Right here, we were at negative 50
Yep.
instead of 118. There she
Have you guys
goes.
have seen Spinal Tap, haven't you?
Oh,
No,
it would have
I
been so
don't want to
positive.
see it,
So
but- Have you seen
positive.
it, Paul?
No
Yeah,
idea what
I
that
know.
is.
Yeah. Yep. I am.
It's a parody.
I am
It's a
aware.
parody of a metal band, a British metal band. Well, no, actually, they're like an American band, I guess. They were touring, and they've got. Oh, it just.
I was preparing for news anyway, so we didn't want to stay in.
Went on back in the day.
This was coming up at 7:30. So I guess, you know, it is what it is.
Don't need to divulge.
The outfit. I'm not. Yeah. Well, did you say bulge?
I need a
Did you
better
say
hold
bulge?
game.
No,
You know,
divulge.
I would probably be
Divulge.
getting out
I
right
know
here
you
anyway,
did.
so I would have
I know
moved
you
my
did.
stop
I-
loss. We
I
would probably be
purposely
breaking even.
saying that.
It's fine. It's
These
fine.
freaking guys, man.
It's okay.
Yeah, man.
Oh, but But then they made a real. They toured and everything. Like after the movie came out, the success, they kind of went on a little thing for a while. Because
lots of.
Hilarious. They were kind of like like the
That would have been
PS
one
or
TP is up here.
which is kind of a different thing.
Started to move back down.
Obviously not.
I was gonna say,
cartoon, but
speaking
it
of,
just-
are you guys privy to Tenacious D at all? A little bit of Tenacious D or no?
Isn't that? Isn't that like?
Here
like
would be
suicidal tendencies
resistant
kind of
line.
stuff, or not?
No, it's
Will it bounce?
I mean, it's Jack Black's like metal band. It's him and.
Oh yeah, it's Jack Black.
the
That's what
other
it is.
guy.
That's what it is. Yeah, he goes by Tenacious D, his band or whatever.
Yeah, it's pretty funny, man. I love listening to it for the. It's just funny. It's pretty hilarious that how he so dramatically gets into the metal scene and whatnot. With his like vocals are hilarious. It's just he's so dramatic, and it's pretty funny. I know it's not true. Like I know it's not like
No.
It's
But it's
different.
Yeah,
It's just
yeah.
different.
I'm with you. Yeah, yeah.
That's one of my favorite
All right,
movies,
now
School of
we're at
Rock.
the-
One of my
so
favorite
good.
movies. Yeah.
Our intention was to make an iPhone.
All right. Ooh, it bounced.
for the future. Powerful, yet so thin and light, it seems to disappear in your hands.
Rolling over a tiny bit here. Can we get back into the range? Or are we gonna
It's just kind of
continue?
The core
it's kind of
structure
flatlining.
is a
I
radically
don't know what
thin
it's doing
frame
here. Let's
made
I
from
need to break
graphite,
out.
spacecraft titanium
Break out to the
that
upside.
combines strength, lightness, and durability. To bring elegance to such a tough material, we polished the frame to a pristine mirrored finish.
Got this crazy dry skin from the rubber on my grips. I think.
For the first time,
And that's when this all happens on my golf clubs.
on both sides,
They're just rubbing some
process creates nanocrystals.
ointment that's mostly petroleum jelly, it looks like, and it's actually working out pretty good.
Okay.
I've been trying a
I
bunch
mean,
of different stuff.
To be honest, pretty mild reaction in this regular trading hour session for like the PPI release and everything. I
Alright,
guess
so it went underneath the line, as you can see.
was the larger move.
I think the line was here.
And now we're kind of
We're trading within it.
Precisely sculpted to
Yeah,
stand
we're trading totally with inside of it, right?
innovative
Yeah,
camera system.
that whole bar.
Yeah.
The new center stage camera perfectly frames selfies in portrait and landscape without
yes,
turning
get
the
up
phone.
If you're trading crude oil, you're about to have
It
crude
captures
oil
gorgeous
inventories of
48
1030.
megapixel photos, next gen portraits,
Yeah, I saw
majestic
that.
landscapes.
That
and
usually
incredible
adds some
close
volatility
images.
there for
Good
you.
looking
The
out.
plateau also houses our latest A19 Pro chip,
looking out.
which is built for Apple Intelligence.
I'll probably take a little look at it while the
Dedicated
inventory
every
numbers
aspect of space
come out
to our
here in a
high-density
minute.
battery,
I'll
resulting in remarkable
pull the
auto
chart up.
battery life.
for sure.
The impossibly thin profile allowed
Got
us to stretch the display.
Daryl's
Come
new
on,
trades, so
hold
I can
this
start
level.
publishing the screen.
It's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
best
it's
iPhone
okay.
ever,
Yeah,
with
they're
the power of Pro
I'm about to be
inside.
taken out.
A paradox you
About
have
to
to
be
hold
taken out.
to believe. This
Hold.
is iPhone Air.
Hold.
Thou shall not pass. Stay up. My IBs are set now.
Looking to get stronger?
come
Join Planet
on.
Fitness today. Save $28 or more when you join for just $1 down.
Mr.
$15
Jones
a
is
month.
close to making a
in?
triple
Find
bottom
your
here.
nearest club and
Catalina,
join
maybe,
today.
Maybe
Deal
break
ends
through.
September 12th.
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Whoa.
Damn.
Oh yes, make a double top right there. Is there a double top? Dun, dun, dun.
Potentially.
well, not
I don't
crude.
know. I don't see it as that, but no, yes, she was saying.
Alright,
I
here's the
mean,
resistant line.
Yes.
I don't know. It's coming back down to VWAP here. It just, now it's gonna go up, man. It just wanted to stop pick me. Of course it did. Of course it did. all this nastiness for?
Now retested this low, starting to break above.
Two-headed distribution monster.
Capital B distribution.
Yeah, exactly.
Not
I
convinced
would
yet.
like to see it retest the high, but I don't know if it's going to get up. Now, anyway, I mean, I could now. All right, so let me draw some lines. IB.
Nope. There it goes, breaking down. Starting to bounce.
IB low is way down here. Where am I? 630.
I don't know. It's a little.
Swing low. IB low. How low can you go? How low can you go?
It's so silly.
Very, very low.
Oh, it did break. Can we
Not
get a
low enough.
retest?
It never
One retest.
frickin' didn't get down here.
Give me one
All right,
retest.
Man, this is ugly. I don't like this. It's very difficult to trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is definitely tougher market to trade on the ES and whatnot here. The Nasdaq's looking like it's trying to uptrend relatively
I'm gonna take it.
well. So I mean, the Dow and the Nasdaq look opposite of each other of sorts, and then the ES is again right in the middle.
I want it.
The two.
Give it to me. Oh, I don't know.
Would you consider taking a stab long here, Adelina, for a possible triple bottom on the Dow, or no? You'd want to see the break and then get short the break.
Yep.
Jumped in too early. We're coming down to right here.
All right.
No, I want to see the short.
Gotcha.
I'm waiting for this candle to close, see what's going on. But I wanted to do something extreme to go on ES a short, but I'm too late already. I want to do
I
super
wanted this
adventurous
bounce.
today.
Hopefully it goes my direction.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Down to point of control. Let's go, point of control. 49. Let's go. Come on, travel through it. Keep going.
Break. Break.
Okay, everybody, we
One
go
break
down.
one more time. Up.
I'm basically sitting on my entry, so can't move my stop. Let's go. Come on.
Come on, break. Break above 80 right there. I just need the break above 80.
Big offer popped up at 65.60 on
Yep.
the ES.
934 contracts. Woo-wee. I do not want it to go up there yet, though. Maybe it'll move down. Maybe it'll shift down.
Yeah.
Push it through. Come on. Move it.
Possibly.
Shift it down to
Boom.
54.
Give me that one.
Just move it down. There you go.
Safeties.
There it is. Let's go. The indicator, the silent indicator, the whisper. See, she's a market whisperer.
There it goes.
Let's go.
That's what you need to record.
Yeah, I know.
Timestamp it.
He wants me to save your little whispers so I can play it back.
Play it on the when anybody is in need of a calm.
Dang.
calm moment.
Again, we could have been broken even.
Make the market move.
Adelina, you could do anything, and Daryl would figure out a way to make it funny. It just you can't help it. He can't help himself.
Oh, you the gecko!
I wasn't trying to make that funny.
Only took 2 minutes. Well, I mean, God, guys, all
Maybe I come off. I just
But-
come off.
Next time, how about less fluid ounces?
Yeah.
Naturally,
Get more than
funny
just
guy.
savings. Get more with Geico.
Behold, a
Oh,
Boost Mobile Unlimited
I think we're
plan
getting
with
hit there.
never goes up.
Come on. Come on. Get up there.
I do my best
What are
thinking
you
in the shower,
doing?
so I turn my office into one.
Bounce right here.
I want to get short.
Order
Just bounce
filled.
that.
Order filled.
If it breaks lower, we're done.
Come on now, break. There we go. Keep going. Keep moving. Come on. Come on, move that big fat contract, the big liquidity down.
Yeah.
There we go.
Come on down, guys.
Up.
Everybody.
Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. Oh, come on.
Now there's the sound clip.
That's it.
That was
There
good.
you go.
That's it.
There you go.
That was a perfect.
Stamp it.
Not looking good. All right, folks, we do have to get to work.
Daryl, I mean, it's pretty good.
I know. It's the longer it stays there, the better.
Yeah.
We just want that one little small retest. Get us out of his trade because it's not looking good. In my opinion. I think we actually might have to get out now.
All right, come on.
Just let it go up. One more up move. One more up move. Come on.
Not do that.
No, you can do it.
Stop filled.
Stop
Dang
filled.
it. So we're down 75. We were up 300. We're going to wait for this retest, jump back in for a sell.
Order submitted.
Yeah,
think
it's
gold is
Steve-O.
Order
fine.
filled.
Order filled.
Trying to break out here. I might get into a gold long again, but I'll let everybody know.
Steve-O. You know, I love Metallica.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I think I played it
We want
so
those
much.
two.
They're not
We're going to take it down
I
to...
love Metallica, and I love the old stuff. I mean, Master of Puppets is freaking phenomenal album, and Justice for All, phenomenal album. So he's got here Battery, Black, and Short as Straw. Hell yes, dude. And I love like Sanitarium and just oh my god.
951.
But the new stuff,
No, you're not.
I love Mega. I like Mega.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I like Dave Mustaine.
Yeah. Yeah, that's underrated. I feel like it's just like you don't obviously Metallica is just like a band that everybody knows, but
Order
That's a good
filled.
one.
Order filled.
Order
Like,
filled.
Order
just
filled.
the metalheads, no Megadeth. So
Yeah. He was formerly with Metallica and he got kicked out. So he said, "Okay,
right.
I'll do my own gig." I love Ronnie James Dio too. I love Dio. What a voice. What a voice that little guy.
This should give me a good one. Come on.
Like I like Dio when he was with Black Sabbath. I like Dio when he was on his
No,
own.
no.
I just like Dio.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Dang it.
Do you like Alice Cooper? Paul? Are you big on Alice Cooper at all?
I was so sure we were going to break down right
like,
there.
You know, I
No,
don't
I mean, just
not
'cause
like
older.
It's okay.
I'm not like a diehard. You know, yeah, like I'll listen to it. Like I'll listen to. But
I'm not big on
you know.
soul stuff too much.
Yeah, like I'm not. If somebody was like, "Hey,
It's my fault. We were actually doing really good on that account.
like I wouldn't be like, "This is terrible," but I wouldn't also be like, "Oh my God, Alice Cooper."
Yeah, I know. I'm with you.
But you know, same thing with like the same feeling. I know it's like against popular opinion most of the time, but same feeling with Kiss. You know, it was more like, okay, if it comes on, cool. If not, I don't mind that either. So I just
Order filled.
Order filled. I wasn't big on Kiss when I was a younger kid, but as I got older, I got really into Kiss. I started, you know, it's like anything
Stop
else, I
filled.
guess. You play the same stuff all the time. And then
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Other things like, wow, this is really good. Why didn't I not listen? Pay attention?
Okay, so don't do that. That's not a.
Or
That's
your
not good.
taste evolve, or different friends, different roommates, different girlfriends, whatever. They introduce you to different
Let's
music.
see, that was not good.
Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna put one in.
I'm into like a decent amount of like.
We're gonna drop this in up here.
Like instrumental stuff, like instrumental metal of sorts.
We actually
like,
have to get to work.
Polyphia.
We're gonna look for a drop
Dream
down
Theater.
into
Polyphia is like a
875.
progressive kind of metal band, but like that's just like mainly instrumental, but Dream Theater as well. It's cool.
Hopefully we get a lot of that back. If not, we're pretty much done on that account. A little crazy. We're hoping for the best though.
Leaders. There's a couple of good.
Steve-O's. Hey, stupid. School's out. Referencing Alice Cooper.
Yeah.
Hey, stupid. What you trying to do? Hey, ES, what you trying to do? Come on down. Let's go.
Come on down.
Let's go, sellers. Push it real good.
Gold took a dive. Gold.
All right, we have to go. On the loves, guys.